Do you believe that freedom of expression is not absolute?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You do.
Of
I'd
course,
like
Mr.
to ask the other bloggers if they also believe that.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You also believe that? Okay.
Sir,
Now,
there's always a limitation.
Ms. Cruz said, yung kanyang statement sa YouTube, no? Na profanities, insults, malicious is a healthy discourse. Gusto kong tanungin yung mga vloggers natin, do you agree with her on that?
Yes.
That profanities, insults,
May sumagot na
and
naman.
malicious
Kawawa
accusations
talaga to si Abante. Dudurugin
It's a
talaga ng mga
healthy
vloggers. Si
and a part
Crisita.
of the freedom of expression. We would like to ask every blogger to answer me yes or no if they believe in that.
Mr. Chair, can I be recognized? Mr. Chair, no other than the highest court of the land has repeatedly said na hindi po masama ang pagmumura, lalong-lalo na sa mga pampublikong opisyal, especially kung ang pinatutungkulan po ay yung official functions nila. Not the person,
Yes.
but their official functions, Mr.
Tama.
Chair. So yun po ang paninindigan, lalong-lalo na po namin bilang mga
Magaling
manggagawa.
to si Elijah.
Dahil kahit meron pong TikTok, Facebook o social media, sa komunidad po, yan ang lengguwahe ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino.
So, napakaganda ng sinabi dito ni Elijah, no, na allowed naman yun, which is, napanood ko rin yun sa isang attorney, ano, na nag-upload ng mga batas sa TikTok, which is, napanood ko siya, no, recently lang. And ang sabi doon is, hindi naman, wala namang kaso, ano, yung babatikusin mo yung mga public figures, ano, mga ganyan, kagaya ng mga politician, mga barangay captain, artista, di ba? Wala naman yung problema as long as yung binabanggit mong panglalait o kumbaga yung binabanggit mong paninira sa kanya is about sa trabaho niya, hindi sa personal life. Halimbawa, sasabihin mo sa isang mayor, halimbawa lang is babaero siya, ganyan. Ayun, ng babae, may kabit, is pwede kang makasuhan ng libel nun. Pero once na yung sinabi mo is si mayor is corrupt, si mayor magnanakaw ng kaban ng bayan, hindi, walang kasong libel yun, Kasi hindi naman yun tungkol dun sa personal life niya. Tungkol yun dun sa trabaho niya, sa pagiging public figure niya. Ulitin natin tong sagot ni Elijah dito. Napakaganda ng sagot niya. Kaya nagugustuhan
You
ko kung
also
panoorin
believe that?
Tricom na to eh.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
there's always a limitation.
Ms. Cruz said, yung kanyang statement sa YouTube, no? Na profanities, insults, malicious is a healthy discourse. Gusto kong tanungin yung mga vloggers natin, do you agree with her on that?
Yes.
That profanities, insults, and malicious accusations is a healthy discourse
So ito, panoorin natin to. Tignan mo yung
and a
sagot niya.
part of the freedom of expression. We would like to ask every blogger to answer me yes or no if they believe in that.
Mr. Chair, can I be recognized? Mr. Chair, no other than the highest court of the land has repeatedly said na hindi po masama ang pagmumura, lalong-lalo na sa mga pampublikong opisyal, especially kung ang pinatutungkulan po ay yung official functions nila. Not the person, but their official functions, Mr. Chair. So yun po ang paninindigan, lalong-lalo na po namin bilang mga manggagawa, dahil kahit meron pong TikTok, Facebook o social media, sa komunidad po, yan ang lengguwahe ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino na nagagalit. Hindi po kasalanan
Tama
ng
yan.
mga vlogger o ng mga gumagamit ng Facebook, TikTok, X o kung ano pa mang social media platforms kung bakit merong ganito na mga pagmumura o profanities. Ito po ay lengguwahe ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino na
Mr. Chair,
nagagalit. Mr.
Hindi
Chair.
ko, Mr. Elijah, hindi ko binabagit yung lingwahe. ng ordinaryong Pilipino. Ang binabanggit ko, lingwahe ng vlogger. Hindi ka ordinaryong Pilipino.
Mr. Chair,
Tatandali lang, kasadala pa ako eh. Alright. Hindi ka ordinaryong Pilipino. Tama, mali.
ordinaryong Pilipino ako, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
hindi ka ordinaryong Pilipino. Vlogger ka eh.
No, manggagawa ako,
Vlogger
Mr.
ka.
Chair.
Lahat pa ng ordinaryong Pilipino, vlogger?
Mr. Chair, manggagawa ako.
Uy,
Ang
napaka-
example mo.
So, pag vlogger ka pala, hindi ka ordinaryong Pilipino. Siguro, immortal, Kakaiba basta talaga mga vlogger. Sabi ko siya, mag-vlogger na kayo para hindi kayo mga ordinaryong Pilipino.
ako, Mr. Chair.
Meron kang special treatment.
Point of order. We have our rules here.
Naku po,
I think
eto
the
na naman.
resource person cannot answer without being recognized by the chair.
Sorry, Mr. Chair.
Okay, to all, reminder to all resource persons, let the interpolator finish his line of questioning in his statement.
Buti, may sumalo kay
resource
Abante,
persons
no?
can only talk when the chair
Ay,
recognizes them.
nako. Muntik na.
Nabanggit
Okay,
ko
continue.
kanina na yung profanities, yung insult, yung malicious accusation, kung yan ay sinabi sa kanyang, anong tawag doon, functions bilang public official, okay yon. Yung sabi mo, di ba?
Yung...
But not on a personal basis, correct? Ayan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sabihin natin, naniniwala ako dyan. Pero, hindi naman niya sinabi yan sa akin on my public functions, official functions. It is a personal accusations on me. Mr. Elijah,
Mr. Chair, I cannot speak on behalf of Miss Joey, Mr. Chair.
inaano ko lang yung sinabi mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Tama.
now I'd like to ask Miss Joey, Miss Cruz, are you insulting me on my public official functions or it is a personal accusation on me?
It's not a personal accusation, Mr. Chair, and I think we have agreed early on that we do not have any personal relationship. So
Yes,
that
that's
is
right.
just-
Pero ito,
Yes.
ang sabi ni Elijah, okay lang yon kung yan ay sinabi in my official functions as a public servant. Alam mo ba yung official functions ko?
Yes, Mr. Chair, and
Alam mo. So therefore, hindi ka naniniwala sa aking official functions, kaya tinawag mo akong gago.
no, Mr. Chair, the observation that I uttered to describe your performance of your official action, that is my observation. That is what I felt.
Well, inobserbuhan mo ba yung aking official functions?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Inobserbahan mo
Your hearings.
since I won in 2019?
No, Mr. Chair. I closely monitored your performance as a congressman in the 19th Congress.
And you hated me for that.
No, not really, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
gago.
Just in the
Binagit mo
19th
sa akin gago,
Congress.
so you hated me. Mr. Chair, ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Binanggit mo, gago ako. Binanggit mo, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Binanggit mo, I'm going to be... Hindi ko babanggit eh.
Okay.
If you prepared, binanggit mo yun eh.
May I respond, Mr. Chair?
Therefore, you hated me. Hindi pwedeng, hindi mo ko...
To si Abante,
hindi pwedeng
kaaway to
sabihin mo
ng
sa
mga
akin na
vlogger.
You love me. Is that the person that you said that you love me?
Hello.
I love you and because of that, isasampal ko ito sa'yo.
May I respond, Mr. Chair?
Yeah, go ahead. Sige,
Okay.
Mr. Chair. Go
Mr.
ahead,
Chair,
respond.
At the very
Nako po.
at the very most, I do not like your performance as a member of the 19th Congress.
Oh.
But hate is
Ano ba
such a
yan?
powerful word because we established earlier that we do not have any personal
Naka.
relationship or any
Meron
Kaya
pa.
personal
Mr. Chair,
affiliation.
binanggit mo, binanggit mo yung human rights.
Yes,
Na-real
Mr.
talk na
Chair.
na-real talk.
Diba?
Correct, Mr.
Therefore,
Chair.
Mr. Chair, you violated my human rights. Why? Because when you said those profanities, those insult, yung gago, yung isasampol ko ito sa pagbubukha mo, you violated my human rights. You did.
May I respond, Mr. Chair?
Teka, Mr. Chair, hindi ako nagagalit sa'yo. Okay? At wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Kahit na anong sabihin mo, okay lang sa akin. Alright? Pero itong ating pinag-uusapan ngayon, merong kinalaman sa mga legislation na aming gagawin later on. That is why I am asking you right now. Sapagkat napakahalaga nito. Kapag binabanggit mo, if you're saying that using profanities, insults, and malicious accusations online represent fair and respectful discourse and a healthy discourse, therefore you're telling us that the freedom of expression is not is absolute. You can say anything you want, and that is freedom of expression. Yun ang sinasabi ko, Mr. Chair.
May I respond, Mr. Chair?
Pag binanggit mo, if you said that
Ayaw
freedom
na
of
niya ba
expression is
tumigil,
not absolute, therefore, there are certain things that you cannot say. Yun ang ibig sabihin nung freedom of expression is not absolute. May limitation yun. Di ba? Oh. Go ahead. You can answer now.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, in the universal thoughts and ideas, there would always be a limitation. The freedom of speech is not absolute. And the limitation of freedom of speech is well defined. Under the law, under the jurisprudence, there are things that you cannot say. There are things that
Mr. Chair,
you
what
cannot-
jurisprudence are you talking about?
Supreme Court decisions, Your Honor.
Can you tell me what law?
Example of law that limits your
Yes.
freedom of expression. For
Can you
example,
tell me the
Mr. Chair,
jurisprudence?
yes, Mr. Chair. For example, Mr.
Yun,
Chair, there is,
maganda.
I cannot specify the specific law, Mr. Chair.
There
but
is a law on libel.
yeah, law
There
on
is a
libel.
law on slander. there
Is it
is a
okay?
law.
Is it okay, Mr. Chair, if I give my example? Okay, thank you very much. One example, and I think this example is very
Nako po.
demonstrative, is very illustrative of the limitation of freedom of speech. Right now, it is election, midterm election, and it is not allowed that people are going to campaign on the day of the election day. That is a clear prohibition to express on the part of the citizen to say whatever they want to say on the
Teka,
election day.
Mr.
because
Chair, ano po ang connection nung binabanggit mo? I'm asking you about the jurisprudence. I just told you that there is a law against on libel, on cybercrime. What you said today is libelous. What you said here is libelous. Why?
Mr.
Because
Chair.
there is a malicious intent. When you use profanities, when you use the word gago, there is a malicious accusation, and that is libelous.
Mr. Chair, if
Oh.
if that is your assessment of
And
that kind of
listen,
statement, you
not
will
only
have your
libelous, Mr. Chair, dali lang ha, not only libelous, that is also unjust vexation on my part.
May I respond, Mr.
Ay,
Chair?
grabe. Galit
Go
na,
ahead.
ha?
Okay, Mr. Chair, if you think that
Okay.
you are violated by my exercise of my freedom, you would have your right and
No,
be
no,
in court
Mr. Chair,
so that
don't
so
worry.
that the maliciousness of
Mr.
that
Chair,
statement
don't
can be
worry. I'm
sorted
not
out
going
in the
to charge
proper
you in court.
authority.
Don't worry. I'm not going to charge you. If I charge you in court, matatalo ka eh. Pero hindi. Oo. Unjust vexation to. Alam niyo ba yon? Are you a lawyer or not?
I am not a lawyer,
So
Mr.
therefore,
Chair.
you should know this. The thing is this, pero wag kang mag-alala. Hindi ako magdidemanda sa'yo. Do you know why? You're not important to me.
Oo.
Alright? Ang dahilan lamang, kaya natin ginagawa ito, para magkaroon kami ng idea kung anong legislation ang nais naming gawin. Pero ikaw, you are not important to me. Alright? Oo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yan. Yan. Huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ako kailanman magdidemanda sa'yo. Alright? Oh. Eh, tumatawa ka pa eh.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Natatawa ka sa akin eh.
No, Mr. Chair, I am
Oo.
expressing my gratitude, Mr. Chair.
Ganun ba? Mr. Chair, tumatawa ka and you're expressing your gratitude by your sarcastic laughter?
I am not laughing, Mr. Chair. It's just a natural smile, Mr.
So
Chair.
gusto kong tanungin po, itong ating vloggers na
Si
ito,
Crescent
kayo po
hindi
mga
na-
vlogger natin,
hindi na
do you
makapagpigil ng tao
agree
eh.
with what Miss Joey Cruz said? Every one of you could be able to answer if you agree. We have a lawyer there. Attorney Trixie.
Attorney Trixie, you have the floor.
Asan na si?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yun.
I disagree with Ms. Joey. I believe that there is, instead of a limitation on the freedom of speech, I believe that speech is either protected or not protected.
Thank you very much.
Those that are covered by the law, such as the law on inciting to terrorism, inciting to rebellion, and so on, are unprotected speech. And those that are not covered by any limitations by the law are protected speech. The Supreme Court has said that expressions of frustration are protected speech. And therefore, although we differ, Ms. Joey and I, on the approach to the problem, we agree on the solution.
Okay, let me ask the other bloggers that we have. Each of you could be able to answer and tell me if you agree with Ms. Cruz on that.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I am Dr. Mata. I'm a bit forgiving on those things sometimes, Mr. Chair, because sometimes people are so expressive that we tend to say things. And I could cite, Mr. Chair, your example on the last hearing. You mentioned something as well. I won't mention it now, but you said it's something, but I know it was withdrawn as well. So there's no, I'm not affected by what you said, because sometimes you're just, in your emotions, you tend to say things, which you said, T-A-N-G-A, but it's okay, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, let me answer that, no? When I say T-A-N-G-A, binalik ko lang sa kanya eh. Siya ang unang nagsabi. Siya ang unang nagsabi. Para bang pinukul ka ng balisong, nasa lubong yung balisong, binalik mo sa kanya. Kaya ako binanggit.
Iba talaga to. Action
Hindi
star
ako
din pala
ang
siya
unang
ba?
nagsabi. Ang unang nagsabi, yung vlogger mismo. Ibinalik ko lamang sa kanya. Oh, ngayon, ako ang masama. Samantalang yung vlogger na nagsabing tanga ang gobyerno, hindi masama. Nung ako ang nagsabing tanga, ako naman ngayon na masama. Ano ba talaga, Mr. Chair?
Yes, thank you for your explanation on that, Mr. Chair.
Alam mo, nakakatuwa tong Tricom na to eh. No? Talaga si Abante galit sa mga DDS vlogger. Ano? Talagang gigil na gigil siya no? Sa mga sa mga vlogger natin. Talagang pumapalag eh. Maganda rin yung laban eh. Mama Joey Cruz ngayon eh. And ayun lang guys, papanorin pa rin natin yung mga kasunod pa nito ng mga video. I-upload ko yan sunod na araw. Good luck.